from Congressman Abante.
Particularly,
Mga kababayan, si Congressman Abante.
I am referring to AKA
Pakinggan po
Joe
natin
Delivery. Sapagkat matindi yung kanyang mga sinabi dito. Gusto ko talagang makita siya at makausap. Sapagkat dito minura niya ako. Ang sabi niya, anay kabobohan sa kwad. Sayang kuryente sa'yo.
Bigyan mo sa kanya.
Yun yung pack you. Hindi ko alam. Ayan.
Minura daw si Abante.
Congressman Abante.
Dali lang.
Yeah.
Tuloy ko lang pumunta.
Parang
Mr. Chairman, Mr. Chairman, Congressman, don't be so personal. Let's be more comprehensive on this approach.
Binabasa ko lang po. Binabasa ko lang eh.
Sige, go ahead. I'll give you
Pangalawa, November 13, 2024, nagmura na naman siya. Hindi ko na babanggitin yung mura niya. Tinatanong kung anong legislation ginawa niyo in relation to this. BS. Ano ba yung BS? BS inquiry. Sasagot ka. Swelduhan ka ng taxpayers. Gago. November 3, 2024. Si Benny Abante at si Romel Marbil ay mga protektor ng illegal na droga dahil pilit nilang pinalalabas na hindi ito ganoon kasama. Tapos sabing ganyan, si Dan Fernandez and Ace Barber's survey are depressing. Alam na nila na matatalo sila sa eleksyon. So what is the hearing for? Smoke screen for the discount. Tinabi ko ito sapagkat matindi po itong mga akusasyon na ibinigay nitong gusto ko nilang magmura eh. Hindi na ako bubumura muna. Oo. Kailangan po, itong mga to, ang tatapang nila eh. Ang tatapang sa pagmumura, nang wala tayong kalaban-laban. Ngayon, pag kaharap dito, hindi makaharap dito. Oo. Mga takot din pala yung mga yan eh.
Please hold your fire, please.
Sumabog kasi kung Abante.
On the process of administrative, ano pa lang muna tayo, Congressman Abante. We can tackle that on the interpellation.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang pong bagitin itong kanya excuse letter. Nakalagay dito, after meaningful consultation with my lawyers, gumaya pa na abogado. I have decided to respectfully decline. Respectfully, minumura tayo, respectfully. To share my knowledge on matters. Hindi knowledge ang kailangan natin. Oo. Ask the lawyers kung libelous yung ginawa niya o slander. No ha? Nakalagay, I would like to categorically state that I am neither paid by POGO operators. Hindi na pinag-uusapan. Pinag-uusapan natin yung mga sinabi niya. Tapos respectfully, Elizabeth Joey Cruz. Nakikinig po sa atin ngayon, nanonood na. Kumarap ka dito, kumatapang ka. Hirap sa iyo nagbumura ka. Nang dyan na wala kaming kalaban-laban. Humarap ka dito.
Muna siya.
Dito. Namo.
Chairman.
Wait.
Hindi ko na mga kababayan.
Please observe, refrain from laughing or whatever expression you wanted to, please observe decency and, of course,
Chair, I move that we strike out.
with all due respect with Congressman Abante, I feel your sentiment, I feel your sentiment, but we are in the process of finding out the, yung pong implementation of the 10175. And I respect your freedom of expression. But what I'm trying to tell you is to refrain from the fire that you wanted to express. But for now, nandun pa lang po tayo sa administrative matter, and we wanted to finish that. And then we will be discussing, or we will be approving the ground rules. Wala pa po yung ground rules, and kaya nga po, kung sana yung kay Chairman Abante, papatak yan sa ground rules. Anyway, having said that, siguro we'll proceed to the next item.
Mr.
Chair,
Chair,
is to approve.
So that we can have an orderly hearing, we must first approve the ground rules. I believe that the COMSEC has already distributed copies of the ground rules to the members present. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I move to approve the ground rules.
Yes, there's a motion to approve the ground rules, and I believe that the members of this committee have already received the yung pong ground rules natin, and you have already read it. So siguro I need a second motion for this. Any second motion? Second objection. Hearing that, the said motion is now approved. Hindi ko babasahin.
Ngayon na mga kababayan, parang
So the next item of our agenda is For all the...
Mr. Chair,
yes, Congressman Zamora.
Kay,
I would like to reiterate
Joey.
my earlier motion to strike out the expletive that was mentioned by my idol, Representative Abante. Earlier. Second motion.
Mr. Chair,
Second motion.
I object because it was not expletive. Sinabi ko lang, namo. That can mean anything. That can mean anything.
Hearing assume. So there's a motion to strike out the word that was delivered by Congressman Abante, and this was duly seconded. Any objection?
Mr.
Hearing none,
Chair.
that motion is approved.
Mr. Chair, I
Yes,
would like to manifest na because it was the emotion made by she's just like a daughter to me because her father is a very good friend of mine. So I would like to withdraw my objection, although it is not actually an expletive.
Yeah.
But I'm withdrawing it for the sake of the motion, Mr. Chair.
Ayan, kasi
So the next
nagsabi
item
siya
of our
ng
agenda
ina
is
mo, mga kababayan.
administering
gusto
the
mo
oath
i-strike ni
of the resource
Congresswoman
persons.
Zamora.
Those who have been invited to attend this committee hearing, please stand up, and the COMSEC is hereby directed to administer the oath of the resource persons.
Previous committee hearings, those invited persons who did not offer any excuse, the next order is for them, for the committee to issue a show cause order to explain why. And for those people who offered an excuse for their absence, it's up for the committee to determine whether the excuse is acceptable or not. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, I think we have so many excuse letters that were given to us by the COMSEC.
Mr. Chair,
And,
particularly
yes.
the excuse order, the excuse letter of this Miss Elizabeth Joey Cruz. She said, I know that the time of the committee is precious and I am coming from deep concern on prudent utilization of public resources. Mr. Chair, this is contemptible. This is not respecting this committee. How dare she would say prudent utilization of public resources? I therefore make a motion, Mr. Chair, that we issue a show cause order on this Elizabeth Joey Cruz. I move therefore, Mr. Chair.
So there's a motion to issue a show cause order to that resource person. What's the name? Elizabeth Cruz, and there was a second motion. Any objection? Hearing that, the said motion is now approved. Yun po yung
Ayan, may
merong
motion
excuse
na sila
letter.
na
And there's still a lot.
mag-issue ng show cause
Like
order
example,
po
yung kay Sean Wayne, kay Maui Spencer, kay Ethel Garcia. But you have to read the content of their excuse letter. Para lang doon sa mga nanonood, no? Ito pong hearing na ito ay hindi para itilin o isuppress yung freedom of speech nila. Wala ho kaming ganong layunin. Ang layunin po natin dito ay gawa ng polisiya ang paggamit ng social media platforms. Dapat po meron tayong disiplina, meron tayong code of conduct, meron tayong ethics sa paggamit nitong social media. Hindi yung pagbukas mo ng social media, magmumura ka. Meron dyan, nagso-social media, nagbablog, walang ginawa araw-araw kundi manawagan ng kaguluhan sa ating bansa, nananawagan ng people power, nananawagan ng kudeta. Yung ba ay tama, Mr. Chair? Ang punto lang natin dito is magkaroon tayo ng ganitong ng regulasyon o regulatory policy para kagaya po ng mga broadcasters, meron po silang KBP. Kagaya po ng mga manunulat sa dyaryo, meron po silang NUJP. They're all bound by rules and regulations. Because in this social media, the use of social media platforms, unfortunately, wala po tayong ganyan sa ngayon. At hindi po pwede na gawin pong rason ng mga yan na meron tayong freedom at kine-curtail natin yung freedom of speech nila. Huwag niyo pong lokohin ang taong bayan. Wala hong curtailment o suppression ng freedom of speech dito. Kaya nga kayo inimbita rito eh. Di ba? Kaya kayo inimbita dito para magpagpahayag din kayo. Hindi po ba yan ay tamang freedom of expression? Ba't ngayon nagpapadala kayo ng mga sulat na hindi kayo pwede kasi hindi kayo naniniwala sa layunin ng pagdinig na ito? Wag po kayo magtago sa mga ganyan. Ang tatapang nyo, sabi nga ni Congressman Abante, in the advent of social media, suddenly Filipinos become political analysts. They become journalists. They become experts. We need your wisdom. Diba? Kayo, ang gagaling nyo magtuligsa eh. Dito nyo gawin, para nang sa ganun, makagawa tayo ng isang polisiya na hindi po maabuso ito. Eh ngayon, nandiyan kayo sa social media. Kung mag-retire kayo, wala na kayo, hindi na kayo nagpa-vlog. Paano kaya yung mga susunod na mga vloggers? Yun lamang po ang layunin natin dito. Kaya huwag kayong magdahilan na hindi kayo nagpupunta rito dahil hindi kayo pupunta rito kasi hindi kayo naniniwala sa layunin ng investigasyon na ito.
So yun mga kababayan, no, yung mga pahayag nila Congressman Abante at ni Congressman Ace Barbers. Ayan, so halatang pikon na pikon po itong si Kong Abante kay Ma'am Joey Cruz, no, dahil po dun sa banat po sa kanya. At nakapagsabi nga po siya ng ina mo, kaya pinapa-strike, no, pinapa-remove dun sa record ng ni Congressman Pami Zamora. So mga kababayan, ano pong masasabi nyo dito sa nagaganap ngayong TRICOM hearing sa mga vloggers, no, doon po sa House of Representatives? Comment down below mga kababayan, no, yung mga opinion po ninyo. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay at God bless po sa ating lahat.